Good morning. This is the Texoma Trader. Thank you for swinging by and checking out a bit more of my journey this morning. Today is September 22nd, 2025. We are getting ready to mark out our 5 minute range at the New York opening in 5 minutes. I did want to touch base real quick on my Asian session and London session. My Asian session did pretty good. We opened up right here, 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I waited for that sixth candle. And there's our pop. I entered there, got out there for a quick 10-point scalp. As you can see, it immediately retraced from there. I could have entered again. However, I only try to get about 10 points on the Asian sessions. For the London session, here's our first 5 minutes. We got our 6 minute. We had our pop through. I just did not had a limit order set right here at 94.75, and it did not pull back down and grab my limit order, and it took off and would have hit my profit target right here at 24. So I missed out on that trade, and I tried not to get into another one here. I was going to go for a long here, but then it came down, broke that. So got out of that real quick. I noticed it just didn't show any more effort of going up after that outside bar. Back to this morning, we've got our London 5 minute range still marked out. Got a couple areas of attraction here. I like to use these rectangles off of inside bars that haven't been what I call flop sided. Its price has gone above it, but it hasn't come down here on the flop side. So I use these as areas of attractions. Some people would say that this candle right here would be an area of support. It would be an order block, a buy side, whatever. I don't know, flippy floppy. But I like to use these inside bars, and when you have two of them side by side, that's a really powerful area. And then you have a couple more backing sets right here. This is a really powerful area for a possible long if you trade it that way. I am strictly a 5 minute opening range trader on the Asian, London, and New York session. I've just found that it works better for me and my profit and loss statements. Anyways, we got a couple minutes here. I'll pause and we'll see what the market does for us today in 2 minutes. I'll be back. And the market is open. Today we are trading the micros on the NASDAQ. I'm trading 10 at a time. And we'll just wait to see what our 5 minute range gives us, and then we'll start looking for a trade on a break and retest from there. Okay, we got our range set. This is our safety candle. That's what I always call the 6 minute candle. That safety candle, if we were to pop up, I would need to see two more retests. If we just pop up and come back down in, then I wait for a solid break. like we're fixing to have our trade. There's our pop. We broke the 5 and 15-minute New York range high and the Asian high. So I want to see it stay above the New York, which is this blue line. Maybe come back, retest it, and go. Gotta stay above it. Okay, here we go. Coming back down. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Just go from there. Okay, we stay above, close, come back down, retest. All right, I'll go ahead and jump in there. And jump in there. And let's just hope we don't have a short squeeze here. Oh, bummer, dude. I only had 3 contracts. Well, that stinks. I was not paying attention. Let's see if I can add some there. Go ahead and close out everything. Let's go for it. Let's go, Bulls. Okay. I've seen enough flip-flopping. It can take off without me. That's fine. Put this big inside bar. This big area. Some traders might say that that is a level of supply. And I just don't want to find out. So thanks for hanging in there with me. And we'll see you later on the next one. Once again, this is the Texoma Trader. Hope you enjoyed this. It's for good laughs, not for financial advice. Have a good day.